These people are gathered here to get their mobile phone connections verified. Basically, the government wants them to show that the mobile phone connections that they have are registered in their own name and not in somebody else's name. There have been instances in which mobile SIM cards have been used in terrorist attacks. Now, the government wants these people to show that they hold these SIMs in the wake of the attack on Army Public School in Peshawar, in which more than 150 people were killed last December. Now what they're doing is the subscriber is coming here to this kiosk with a national ID card, which they provide to the representatives of this company, and they provide a thumb impression. And then this data is fed into this small computer, and this is shared with the government. Now, one of the subscribers who has come to verify his SIM here today is Tayyib Manzoor. So, Tayyib Manzoor, what do you think about this process?
सिम तस्दीक का सबसे बड़ा फ़ायदा ये है कि मेरी सिम कोई दूसरा बंदा चोरी नहीं कर सकेगा, ठीक है। इस वजह से कि मेरा थंब लग गया, एक दफ़ा वेरीफाई हो गया मेरी सिम। और दूसरा फ़ायदा ये है कि इंशाल्लाह हमारे मुल्क से दहशतगर्दी है ना, वो कम हो जाएगी सिम तस्दीक की वजह से।
Tayyib Manzoor is saying that nobody will be able to steal his SIM now because his thumb impression is there, and that will help in curbing militancy. Now, the government says that there are 103 million SIMs all over the country. They're saying that 70 million of them have already been re-verified, but there's still a long way to go. It's a huge country. The question is whether they will be able to track down all the SIMs that are out there, and whether that will help in curbing militancy in Pakistan.